Hello everyone, I am Bogdan, and in this video we are installing Xenon HIDs on the BMW F10. You will start by removing or by lifting the car and removing the front wheels. Next step will be taking off the inner lining. That will allow you to have more space, and it will make everything much easier. The fog Xenons, I prefer fitting them on the air duct. For the brakes you will do 2 holes. You could get away with only using double-sided sticky tape, but because I'm an obsessive person I prefer using a zip tie. So zip tie, double-sided sticky tape. Installing a HID kit, if you have the proper kit, will be only connector in connector, nothing special. You will not need to splice wires, you will not need to do any changes that are not reversible. Here I'm fabricating a hole so that I can do the cable management much more efficiently. You need to take into account that if you will hit something with your bumper, you would want your electrical wires to be in such a position that when the bumper goes, the wires are safer, or at least the lower part of the bumper, when it's damaged, your wires aren't also damaged. We move to the headlight. These cars will have the metal bracket that twists inside of the holder. If you take a look at this video, you will get a good idea of how you can use the same bracket. If you want the easier way of doing it, you could cut that metal bracket and fix it with a zip tie after that on the bulb. Ideally, you will also clean the glass of the Xenon bulb before installing it in the headlight. That is where I am using isopropylic alcohol. Take into account what I have said here. And we need to make sure that this is facing downwards. The ceramic should be facing downwards. There is a long explanation for why this is very important. You clip the holder in place. Make sure that nothing is moving. The position of the bulb is very important, as it can affect the way that the light is being projected onto the ground.
Yellow is red. And if the light would have been dimmer, I would have been able to see what I'm doing easier.
Also make sure that your rubber gaskets are in good condition. You don't want steamy headlights.
Our own recipe. Cooking with your own recipe.
Now I hope that this video helps. If you have ideas for future videos, or if I forgot something, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.